Are you facing this problem or error? Like this. Login details incorrect. Please try again. Or maybe you forgot your password. So I will guide you how to fix that or reset password. First open HostPoco.com, then click on Login button. After that, we will redirect on Login area page. Click on Forgot Password link. Lost Password Reset page is opened. Enter your email address below to begin the reset process. Click on Submit button. Password reset requested. If the email address you entered matched an existing account, please check your email for instructions on what to do next. Open your email inbox and check email. Open Reset Your Password email. Then click on Reset Your Password link. If you're having trouble, try copying and pasting that URL into your browser. New page is opened. Please enter your desired new password. Please use strong password as per tips shown page. Click on Save Changes. Password reset successful. Your password has now been reset. Click on Click Here link to continue to the client area. Congratulations, you successfully entered in client area with new password. Thanks for watching.